Hey guys, thought I would share with you an unboxing video. Guess what I got in the mail yesterday? And I figured I would share it with y'all. These are from Steve Dudoklian from Bedo's Leatherworks. These are my spectator shoes, so I figured I would do the unboxing video with you guys. So, hang tight a bit. I'm gonna reposition the camera. Now, I haven't seen them, I haven't opened it up yet, so I don't know what they're gonna look like. But I hope they look good. Steve, did you do a good job on them? I know you did. I saw the video. So, all right, stick with me a second. Let me reposition the camera and let's crack these bad boys open. All right, so I am anxious to see these. Let's see here. Ooh, looks like he put them in a shoebox as well. So let's see what we've got here. Ooh, an Allen Edmonds box. Let's see. We will put it this way. Get the Allen Edmonds logo for everyone. All right. And three. Oh. Psyched you guys out again. Okay, they're in shoe bags. Alright. Now for the final reveal. Alright, that's the shoe itself. Let's flip it over. Ooh, these look gorgeous. These look gorgeous. JR soles. Let me move this box up with the other shoe out of the way. These look gorgeous. Look at that. JR soles, French tips, dovetail heels. Steve did his special dye job on the bottom with that. I don't know what that is. Like a spider web finish on that. These are absolutely insane. Love these shoes. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get these on my feet. Unfortunately, I am not going to be showing you guys me putting them on my feet because I actually have a cruise that I'm leaving out on for tomorrow. Now, I wanted these so that I wanted these specifically so I could wear them on the cruise. Don't those look fantastic? Steve, you outdid yourself as usual. These look absolutely amazing. I am blown away by this. If anybody has any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate. Put some comments below. I'm going to leave a link to Steve's YouTube channel as well in the description below. You know, contact him if you want a pair of shoes that look like this. Well, I don't know if you're going to get a pair of shoes that look like this. I found out. Oh. Figured I'd share this with you too. Hold on. Let me reposition the camera here. There we go. All right. And I gotta move my microphone. All right. So I found out that these are actually the McAllisters. And I found out that the McAllisters are made on the 65 last. Didn't surprise me. I knew that. What I didn't know is that the Broadstreets are made on the 63 last. I happen to be a fan of the 65 last. Every pair of shoes that I've gotten that have been made in the 65 last in my size has fit absolutely like a glove out the box. No break-in period, no nothing. They fit beautifully. So I've never owned a pair of Broadstreets, but I do have another pair of McAllisters, and I love those McAllisters. They fit like a glove, like I said. So for me, it just made sense to, take a pair of McAllisters and turn them into the Broadstreets. This is one of the coolest looking spectator shoes I think I've ever seen. And I did it. Well, Steve and I did it. Thank you, Steve. You did fantastic work. I know these are gonna serve me well on the cruise tomorrow and over the next few days. So thanks again, buddy. Like I said, I will leave the link for Steve's YouTube channel down below. Some of you guys come here from the Elegant Oxford and have become subscribers on my channel from the Elegant Oxford and Preston's channel. You know, I'm sure that some of you know Steve's work with Bedo's Leatherworks. But if you don't, go over and check out his channel as well. He's got a fantastic channel there where he shows exactly how he does all the shoe repairs and bag repairs. And I tell you, Steve is a master at his craft. So go check out his channel. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So catch you guys on the next one. See you guys when I come back from my cruise. And again, I haven't forgotten, I do have more giveaway shoes.